I go by Elizabeth. I live in Minnesota. I started experiencing homelessness when I turned 18, and I was in and out for it for years. After I became a mom at 21, I still experienced homelessness. I was fortunate to have my son enrolled in Head Start while we were homeless. Head Start provided stability for my son and supported me and my partner at the time. I was grateful for Head Start's support to my son, but I struggled to access the housing support that I needed because my homelessness was invisible to HUD and not a priority to HUD. My son and I slept where we could, and I worked hard to not be detected by the child welfare system because I was afraid they would take my son from me. I didn't reach out for help because I felt shame for being homeless, and I was worried because I'm not a US citizen. I have always been told not to apply for help because it could hurt my immigration status. I also didn't understand all the paperwork they asked me to fill out. The paperwork does ask a lot of personal questions. And with that, there's this fear of discrimination and deportation. What made the difference for me was being connected to a youth-specific program like the Link, and being assigned a case manager that didn't treat me as a number and didn't judge me, but really cared about me and helped me overcome all my barriers that I encountered. As an immigrant herself, she helped me feel more comfortable to learn about my rights and access the help that we needed. To be honest, my former case manager, Michelle, is my favorite person in the whole world to this day because she helped me change my life. The Link, the program that helped me exit homelessness, is a Runaway and Homeless Youth Act funded program. I cannot tell you enough how important it is to have low barrier housing and services that consider me to be homeless and a priority. That is why I advocate for the Runaway and Homeless Youth and Trafficking Prevention Act of 2023, which would provide more resources and key program updates to the Runaway and Homeless Youth Act. I now live in an apartment with my son, and it has provided stability at times and a feeling of safety, but as an immigrant, you don't really ever feel safe. Even now, just saying these, I have fear running through me. But it has provided my son a sense of safety and stability, and for that I am grateful because everything I have done and I do is for my son. I have friends that needed help like me, but they didn't have a case manager that helped them through all the barriers to get the help they needed. This is why I advocate so that all young people can have case managers who care, no matter the color of your skin, your immigration status, or because every young person and parent out there should be able to access housing and services that they need. I'm gonna keep it.